The double lift, a technique that is used in many tricks to imply that the top card has been taken, but in fact 2 cards have been taken off the top, as the top card may change its appearance as you take it off. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to learn this trick and how to use it in a simple trick. First thing you do when you do a double lift is you get 2 cards and you hold a pinky break under where those 2 cards are, like this. Then after that you hold them up, keeping your fingers on each side, making sure that it doesn't show that there's 2 cards, and then you can put it back on, but just make sure when you put it back on it doesn't slip so it shows that there's 2 cards. So altogether it looks like this. The thing you want to do to get the pinky break really quickly is just pretend you're squaring up the cards and then transfer it into your pinky right here, and then you're ready. Then you can reveal the first card, put it on the deck, put that one in, making sure you don't show this card here, putting it into the deck, and then you can reveal the top card to be the one that was put in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.